Welcome back to Makers Creating. I'm going to be showing you how I put together a floral arrangement. I am by no means a florist and I am quite an amateur at this, but I like to put these together for different holidays. So I'm going to show you my quick version of what I do. These are the items that I'm using to make this arrangement. I got that little basket from a thrift store. I think I paid like 50 cents for it. It's been cleaned and sanitized. I like this ribbon here because it's big and it has the flowers on there. And I think it goes pretty good with the flowers that I had purchased. And I actually got the floral arrangement, the flowers from Ollie's, which they were very reasonable for the bunches that they had in there. So right now I am hot gluing. First I'm just making, seeing how much ribbon I'll need. And I'm hot gluing it to the basket. I think it just gives it a little decorative touch to do that. I don't think my hot glue is warm enough, so you'll see why I say that in a few minutes, in a few seconds. But again, as you can see, I don't think it was warm enough because it didn't stick well. So I'll do it again. And there are no edits in this video, so whatever has happened during me arranging this, it is what it is. I did not edit anything out. So again, I'm putting the ribbon on there. I'm not securing it all the way around yet. I'm just securing it to get it in place. And I also have a bow that I had made, and you'll see that now that I'm getting ready to attach to the basket. So there's the bow there that I had made with the coordinating ribbon as well as a satin ribbon that I thought would go really well with it. And so I'm just attaching that to that area that will be the front part with the hot glue. Now, I wasn't sure if I was going to use that hot pink, but what I will do is I'll go back in and put some double-sided tape on the tissue paper and on the dry foam, the foam, so that it, because I didn't unwrap the foam, so that it won't come out. If you turn it upside down, none of the items will fall out of it. And so I just like to make sure that the bowl is secure. Forgot my wire cutters, so I'm going to grab those. And so now I'll start arranging the flowers how I would like to have them in the container. I like for this big one to be the focal point, so that's the one that I'll put in the front. And I just think that the colors are very pretty. So that one will go in the front. And I'll probably well I'll just arrange it and then you'll see at the end I'll just give some more details. But I try to cut it so that some will be a little bit higher than others. I know sometimes as different floral artists are arranging their flowers, they'll take a lot of the leaves off of there. I just leave those in because they help to fill in those empty spaces for me. And again, I purchased these bundles from Ollie's. They were very reasonable and you got a lot of pieces in the bundle. And it doesn't take long to put these together. They're really quick. Sometimes I'll add in some pieces of candy also. I'm going to add in a balloon with this, and I'll add in probably a little bear or something around it, depending on, how it's going to look. If it's going to look tacky, then I'm not going to do it, but definitely I'll be adding in a balloon with it. And I don't wrap it. I just leave it unwrapped. And some people, they don't mind artificial flowers, and so they like those arrangements. So now I'm going to secure the sides down completely with the hot glue. And it's hot now. And again, this is in real time. There are no edits. As you can see, I'm clumsy. I dropped the hot glue gun. All right, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can know every time I upload a new video.